Mom's easy boiled egg chili fry. What do you do with the leftover boiled eggs after Easter? Or have too many eggs at home and tired of omelets? Try making my mom's awesome chili fry using boiled egg. It definitely tastes yummier than plain regular eggs. What ingredients do you need to make this tasty chili fry? Boiled eggs, of course, fresh green chilies, onions, tomatoes, turmeric powder, oil and salt. So here's how to make Mom's easy boiled egg chili fry. Boil the eggs for 7 to 8 minutes. If you already have boiled eggs in the refrigerator, you can just use them as is. Chop the boiled eggs into 1/2 centimeter thick slices and leave aside. Chop the onions and tomatoes into slices or wedges, and cut the chilies diagonally. In a deep dish frying pan, add the onions, tomatoes, and chilies and fry for a few minutes. Then add the salt and turmeric powder and continue for 2 more minutes. Finally, it's time to throw in the boiled eggs. Stir everything together and allow to cook for 5 minutes, and it's ready to serve. Serve with bread or lard on toast. Link to the full recipe with instructions is here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.